It's spring and the Easter Bunny is coming, and along with the Easter Bunny, we get to bring out our lightweight dresses, our pastel colors, our thinner fabrics, and that is fun until we look at all the extra little bumps that we're still trying to camouflage. I have a few solutions for you today. I'm Shelly Aristizabal, and I am the creator of Cinch, a little fashion accessory that allows you to instantly enhance the fit and style of any garment. Because I found that when our clothes fit better, we look better and we feel more confident about ourselves. But sometimes wearing those more fitted fabrics causes us to feel more insecure about ourselves and our bodies. And I understand that. I have been a business owner and a woman in business for several decades, and I've seen every faux pas, and I've noticed when a woman is trying to cover up by wearing big baggy clothes or big jackets, that she sometimes may be hiding something and just doesn't feel good about herself. So that's the reason I developed Cinch, and now I'm beginning to add some extra products to my line to help women feel more confident. And one of the products I'm going to talk about today is my nipple covers. So here's the thing. If you're like me, I really do not like to wear bras, and they're tight, they're not comfortable. So for the last several years, I've been wearing the pretty bralettes. They're prettier, they're much thinner, they actually kind of smooth things out a little bit. And I think it's important to understand that when you do wear those thinner fabrics and you walk into a cold room, let's face it, our nipples sometimes lead the way. So I'm just saying that one thing they can do, obviously, is use a cardigan. Cardigans are a girl's best friend. A cute, lightweight cardigan is a great way to just throw on and hide the nipples, but also any other bumps that we're still trying to camouflage. But basically, if you wear that bralette, then you can wear a nipple cover, and it's simple to do. You take the tape off, you basically just put it right over on obviously on the inside, and now you don't have to worry about your headlights beaming. And then, like I said, as far as the other bumps go, wear the thinner fabrics, wear the tighter clothes, but just throw a cardigan over it, and now you've got the thinner fabric, you're looking spring-like, and you don't have to worry about whether your bumps are showing. So listen, if you are having any of those issues, don't keep wearing the frumpy clothes. Go ahead and go over to thecinch.com and check out some of the new products that we are carrying and get yourself some nipple covers. There's no reason why you can't love your style every single day.